A common problem that people find with their Nvidia graphics cards is that after a while they tend to run quite hot. Now, I've had my computer on for a little while already, and I'm not doing any video rendering or games or anything at the moment. I'm just running two screens off my GPU, and at the moment I've been averaging around 70 degrees, which is quite hot, to be honest. One of the easy ways I've found to drop this temperature is to use the Nvidia control panel. Now, the default setting for the fan speed is 40%, which is really low, and it's on automatic, so it won't increase unless you are doing something more demanding, like playing a game, for example. So this means that the Nvidia software isn't really reacting to the high temperature of the card, only to what you're letting it do. So first easy thing to do is to switch it to manual control and turn the temperature up. So initially I'm going to whack it up to full speed just to let it cool down initially, and then I'll lower the speed down once it has dropped about 10 degrees. The other easy ways, well, less easy ways to decrease temperature is to play about with the hardware. One of the most common things that can affect the temperature is that if the fan on the GPU itself is full up of dust, this means that the fan won't be able to do its job properly and it won't be able to get all the heat off the card itself. So I will be doing a follow-up video which will show taking out the card, taking off the fan and cleaning out all the dust, and then I will show the results. Following this, I'm going to install another fan which will be located just to the side of the graphics card on the case itself, and I'm hoping that this would knock it down a further few degrees. Now, the Nvidia control panel at default doesn't always come with the performance tab, so I will include a link on my blog to the download site where you can get the driver for the performance tab, and also a location for the speed fan software, which is quite handy to have as it shows you what temperature all your different components are. So the 3 temperatures it's got there are for different locations inside my case. They are obviously the hard drive temperature, and then the 4 cores on my CPU. As you can see, they're all severely lower than my GPU temperature, so that's the one to be concerned with. It's already knocked down about 4 degrees. I'd expect it to go down a bit further, but I do have the feeling that there is dust in my fan, and this will mean that the fan won't be fully effective at the moment. So I hope you find this video useful. Please comment below. Thanks.